In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a button in Squarespace, a task that might seem daunting at first for those new to website design, but is actually quite straightforward once you know how to do it. We'll go through each step together. So, let's get started. First, you need to go to your Squarespace website editor. To do this, open your preferred web browser and log into your Squarespace account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can access your site configuration options. Ensure that you select the correct website if you have multiple sites under your account. You will then see the option to enter the website editor. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your site. Now that you're in the website editor, scroll to the page where the button you want to remove is located. It might be on your home page, a product page, or perhaps a blog post. Once you find it, hover over the button. You'll notice that when you do this, the button gets outlined, indicating that you can interact with it. Click on the button. This action will open a menu where it's easy to access various options for editing the button. On this pop-up menu, you will see a few different choices, but what we're interested in is the Remove option. Click on Remove to take away the button from your page. This step is crucial, so ensure you've selected the right button and confirm by clicking that Remove icon. Once the button is removed, you'll want to save your changes to make them permanent. Look for the Save button in the top right-hand corner of the editor. Clicking on Save will update your website and ensure the button is no longer visible to your site's visitors. It's always good practice to review the page afterward to make sure everything appears as you intended. And that's it. You've successfully removed a button from your Squarespace site. Remember, you can always return to the editor if you need to make additional changes, or if you wish to add a different element in place of the button you removed. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you're unsure about removing an element, consider using the Preview function first. It's a handy feature that allows you to see changes before they go live. This way, you can ensure your site's design remains consistent and appealing for your visitors. I hope this guide has been helpful, and that you feel more confident in managing your Squarespace site. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy editing!